Hello guys, welcome back to the episode. Sorry for the interruption in the background. But today I will be demonstrating how easy it is to switch in between two different Hyper-V virtual machines. So let's get started. So here I'm using VMware Workstation 14 Pro. I believe 12 also works the same. So this is my CraftMe virtual machine. I'm VPS Minecraft, and I could easily switch in between them. Now I'll be showing how simple the installation process between machines is. Now before we begin, I just want you guys to know that I did install VMware tools. In order to do that for this, click on VM, reinstall or install VMware tools, and in order to check if it works, type something in, hi, and copy this, Control-Shift-C, and try and paste it into anything else. And if it works, that means that it's properly installed. Well, that's what I'm using it for, so let's get started. Now first, I want to get some...
He's recording video when we're talking about him?
Yep, don't have I have the audio skill down, so it's good. Totally. So first we're going to open up terminals on both instances. So that's quick. Also, I have this button down up here. Just click on that, and it shows a snapshot of what the machine looks like in real time. So what we're going to do is we're going to install some common packages that the system needs to use to work. So first we're going to start with essentials, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade and sudo apt remove. Now we're going to just copy this, and we should be able to actually paste into here too, and paste in perfectly. Let's also do screen resizing. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here, settings. Now I don't recommend you go too many steps ahead. So here. Plus, if you don't, it gives it some time to load in. And as you can see, we can see the snapshot of the previous machine. System settings, next. Display.
Oh, well, the red one.
And let's go with this one.
The red? Well, that's a
This
lot.
configuration. And we will go back here.
We hang them. He can wear them to
And we
school
will readjust that
in winter.
to the same thing.
See, this would be good for
Get this configuration. And now, as you can see, the screens are bigger.
Okay. Yeah.
So now we don't need this.
Practice. This one.
Let's start the
this
commands.
one is a souvenir.
Also, give me a second.
That's for sure.
Display capture 2.
This one he can wear to school when he's here. And this and that are souvenir, or he can wear
Oh,
them
only one
to
display.
school. I don't know.
My other two displays aren't calculated. But as you can see, Task Manager
But
is
a lot of
actually
people are
pretty
putting
stable.
them in a shadow
Most of
box.
this is because memory,
This,
Google Chrome.
I will put
The
this
virtual
in
machines are
box.
down here only using 85 megabytes each.
Yeah, he has
So
to
they're
get
not
it.
even
He
touching
can
RAM.
wear it.
So
Or we
far
can put it
stable.
in the,
let's go back here.
Um,
Enter.
yeah.
Passwords do show up in invisible text, so. And also, if one needs to run quicker, it would actually, I think, slow down the other machine to make sure that the system stays stable and balanced. So as you can see, there's quite a decent amount of updates.
What?
In the meantime, on CraftMe, I already have the server file, so we're going to move the terminals over a little.
Well, I don't know where all this souvenir and memorabilia. You know what else we need to tackle other than this? A hanger?
And I like them to be pretty
Maybe one of
aligned.
ours.
So maybe a little bit more. That's pretty good. And CraftMe, as I said, I already have the files, so we don't need the Tools distro, because we already downloaded that.
Yeah, where do we put it? This thing is,
And I already have,
busting
as I said.
seams.
So we're gonna kind of
Here,
go
the
different
cover is
now.
short.
We already have the files. I just need
We're gonna
to
stick it in the
copy
back,
these into.
Or as a buffer,
machine.
I don't know where Joseph's.
So I told the people already I'd put them in the documents folder.
Joseph.
There we go. You could also copy files from your Windows to your
I
Linux
don't know
installation
whose are these.
almost seamlessly.
Right here.
As
right
you can
here.
see, there it is. This will actually wait till this finishes, and it's going to move over the files, so I don't have to upload them to cloud and
I
re-download.
also,
It's system to system, direct.
Daniel,
Now we wait.
I also need to.
So if you find this video useful, like really useful, then feel free to donate at paypal.me/emeraldtnt or hit that like button down below and subscribe for more videos like this. So there we go, we have the files. I have my documents. I could open up those. I don't want to now though. I'm gonna just like leave that like that. Click here. You can see they're pretty close to each other. 36%, 41. And it's updating the whole entire system, both at the same time. And computer resources, let's look into that. CPU is really stable. RAM, again, let's actually we have to check from here. The RAM is pretty stable here. And also the disk. The disk is kind of like we're writing a lot of files, so oh yeah, this is when we were moving over the files. But now it's pretty stable, even when we're downloading files from online.
Yeah, well, okay.
What would be pretty nice for this type of configuration is to use a fast mirror, which I should have done already, and to this doesn't exist in Linux yet, but when one file downloads, it should be able to try and find the other file from another computer. So they create a network to help each other. So if one has a file, the other one can get it without me having to copy over the Debian file. Otherwise, it's working pretty efficient. 91, 54, 95, 6, 3, 2, 1, done.
If we can fold them and put them
That was
in
bad
here,
timing. Anyways,
I need to do the school supplies, and these
now it's doing
are
installation.
gonna be used as supplies.
It's still climbing
So
there.
then we'll have
It's gonna go pretty quick in a second.
them here.
Yep, this is gonna make it go quick.
That's what I'm thinking.
The disk is kind of spiking a little. It's still under 40%, so it's pretty good. You can also easily take snapshots or pause the machine if you really need to. Like if the other one's using a lot of resources, you can pause one of the other machines and resume it at a later time. Take snapshots too. So after we made our base system, I'm going to take a snapshot to back it up. I'm not actually going to do that because it uses a lot of disk usage. Actually, let's look into that. Data. And I believe, yep, documents, virtual machines. So the two virtual machines that we're using is this one and this one. And overall, 21.5 gigabytes. The installation and okay, so that's basically each machine is using 10 gigabytes. But you have to remember that we added 1,500 files for craftsman. Otherwise, pretty stable and low rate. So 21 gigabytes, I'm good with that. Before, CraftMe was 50 gigabytes, I had to reinstall it. Okay, 27, 63. Downloads are going by quick. In the meantime, CraftMe, yeah, let's not do anything there. Let's check our file. So we put in a home CraftMe document. There we go, we're covered. There was a disk usage spike because they're both trying to write files. Sometimes that happens, but it will restore pretty quickly. More quicker than games like Fortnite and Minecraft. So, yep, I think startcraftme.txt is external. So the file, even though I did it on the same operating system, same account password, it still recognizes it as a different device. Let's run. Oh. Don't mean to do that. Oh well, it's gonna install the server files in the background. So in there, it's gonna download Paperclip and install it to this, that, and that. Hopefully nothing else. The extra files will just flood in here. Which actually reminds me, I should probably check this. So this was an attempt at a start script that I made. That's bad. No. So, yeah, I made some changes and I forgot to update it here. So, that was loud. What was that? That scared me. Let's prevent that from happening in the future. What the heck? That is loud. That scared me. My computer just played a really loud sound from one of the operating systems.
Why is he doing crappy things?
Let me fix that again. Actually, I'm gonna just turn on system
Where's the
volume.
supply list?
I don't know.
What's all this stuff on the floors?
Okay, I'm recording. Okay, okay. I think that's good.
Why am I having such a hard time with this?
Volume's up all the way. And I'm gonna just turn, if you turn down system volume, it will affect both machines. So, here now. It's better. This machine. That's better. Almost done. And done. Nice. So now we're going to install our basic list of applications. So we're going to start with, yes. Yes. IPtraf G H top. IPtraf NG H top and one more thing. Yeah, I think I want to check something. So file, new tab. Bad. Let's consult the Google. How to install Java 8 on Linux. Linux. Huh, nice. I'm gonna just search apt, because that's the command line thing that we're using. DigitalOcean has a nice guide on how to do this. So what I'm going to do is I have multiple things I want to do, run. So I'm gonna just simply go here, arrange, create new document, and temp. Open a text editor, and we will be writing in here. So we want to make it, yes. Oh, did I already run that? No, I didn't. Okay. air trap, ng, h top, Control Shift C. So we want to make it install that. Oh, let's do MySQL. MySQL client, MySQL server, and also we would like it to Java install that. Oh, here it is. And we will go in here. Oh, we do not need this sudo apt install. MySQL client, MySQL server. We also need Apache 2. There's something else. Yeah, we need Webmin. We'll get that later. So here it is. I think that's all we're gonna put. And yeah, Webmin. That's the only thing we're missing. And we're going to Control save this. Now that we have it in a file format, we can just take this file, paste it in here. That's gonna be bad. Skip. There we go. I may have made a mistake. Let's try and recopy that file. Okay, fine. If we can do that, we're gonna just copy this and paste it into this terminal. Should say he wants to install a decent amount of stuff. We're gonna accept. Same thing here. Yeah, but you usually could transfer the files over, but I think that since we had our clipboard full, it didn't transfer over as well.
So what are the
And we're going to agree to that. There we go.
All of these.
So now it's installing our web server, MySQL, and I think that's basically it.
1.5 inch.
Let's get the install for
That's
Webmin.
Okay. That has been used.
And we're installing on, it says installing on Debian, but anything that uses apt works.
That's one. Then what?
college.
There we go.
No. That's binders only. Work with me on the binders.
12 more minutes.
Okay, is there a 1-inch binder there? Then what?
So in the meantime, I guess we will just,
Oh.
we could download this file actually, because we are not using. Oh, that's done. Oh, that's pretty quick.
Oh, there is it? Okay, what else?
That should finish up pretty quickly. Let's put this in downloads. Control Shift V.
No, just the
Oh,
binders.
Control V. Oh, yes.
So these two
Open
are
terminal.
We don't need them. I wonder
So
if
it's
Joseph will
Control Shift
use
V.
them. What else is there?
That's
in the
DB.
list?
As you can see. It looks like DU though.
What else? I can't see the thing. I gotta.
And there it is. So now we're gonna go to our other machine. Home.
Well,
Desk.
you know, they ask for
Downloads.
so much. Look, I got glue sticks.
Control Shift V.
What else?
Paste. There it is.
What? Yeah, okay. I took them last year. What is this supposed to be? Why does he have this here?
Error code 302
There's
found.
this.
Now a second
Composition,
one on the error code then. Anyways, so we're gonna just leave it at that. there
I don't
goes
have
there.
instructions.
So basically seamlessly, it is easy to transfer files throughout devices, copy and paste clipboard items.
Oh, okay.
Pretty nice, nice and
We
tap.
have instructions.
And now we have a duplicate of both things. What I could have done is I could have just made one of them and cloned that over to the other one. But then it would keep, actually never mind, because then it would keep like the system name, the IPs would conflict, stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button down below and subscribe. Oh, I already said that. Oh well. And again, feel free to donate at paypal.me/emeraldtnt. See, it's calling for you to donate. No. Okay. There we go. And, okay. So, also, if you'd like me to do another video like this, or if you need any help with doing virtual machines, VMware, Hyper-V, I could easily get that working. Also, most people recommend to use VirtualBox, by the way. Hyper-V, I use Pro. This one's like $300, I think, maybe $400. I don't know. But VMware, VirtualBox works pretty
What
well too.
else?
So
Are you
I recommend you try and use that.
Are you here?
Okay, see you later. Bye.
Here's a